We take this time to honor today's four-state hero, James Hendrickson, a member of the United States Navy in the 1970s and 90s. He served during Vietnam and Gulf Wars. His hometown, Joplin, Missouri. We're proud to salute James Hendrickson, our four-state hero.
We begin our birthday list off with Carson Ballard, who's celebrating his 7th birthday in Galena. Carson, a very happy birthday to you. Looks like, is that a day out of the pool?
I think so.
You can't beat it this week, Carson.
Either that or on the splash pad somewhere. That looks like fun. All right, Braden Rush turning.
Whoa!
We skipped. There we go.
Whoa!
The fish was so big that it scared its way through the next three pictures.
It didn't scare me. I want to know where that is.
Braden Rush. Well, Braden is in Jasper. I'm not sure where he caught that fish, but that's an impressive one.
Good get, Braden.
Yeah, Braden is 18 years old. Happy birthday.
That's awesome, man. Brandon Goodwin is celebrating number 28.
That's a cute picture.
Brandon, I know it's your birthday, but you know who steals this picture with that look.
Aww.
Brandon, a very happy birthday with love from Mom, Dad, and Lindsay. I would love to know what was going on when that picture was snapped. What is Brandon thinking right there?
What is a little girl thinking?
That's tremendous.
All right, moving along. Amanda Hensley Fosdick turning 36 years old. Great picture there with the fam there. Amanda in Jasper.
And in Arma, George Obannon Jr. celebrating his 38th. George, I want you to know that this comes with happy birthday wishes from Mom.
Right, and we've got Michael and Jennifer Obannon celebrating 13 years together. What a great anniversary pic there. Wouldn't it be great to be on the beach right now? This is coming from anniversary wishes coming from George's brother, and happy anniversary also from Mom.
I would like to know who's the older brother. Because somebody had a birthday and somebody else was like, guess what, dude, I'm going to get married on your birthday.
Oh.
See what I'm saying?
Oh, okay. So George is Michael's older brother.
Right.
Yeah.
Well, no,
right.
it just says picture. Brother. I don't know who's older.
Oh, good point. Good point.
But some brother was like, hey, bro, guess what? I'm going to get married on your birthday.
Guess what you get to do on your birthday?
It may have been Jennifer. Jennifer may have had final say on that. We don't know.
Yeah.
I'll leave it at that. All right, Michelle Francis celebrating her 48th birthday. Michelle, I want you to have a marvelous, marvelous birthday today in Pittsburgh.
All right, and we've got Rob turning 79 years old in Devon, Kansas. And if Robert's celebrating, that means Irene Hood is celebrating as well. She's also 79. Robert and Irene obviously are twins in Devon.
Richard Stapleton is celebrating his 81st birthday. Mr. Stapleton, have a happy, happy birthday in Chautauqua.
Tom Hearn turning 83 years old this year. Tom, what a great picture there of you in Fredonia.
Gilbert Frobish celebrating number 82. Gilbert, happy birthday in Joplin.
Down in Wyandotte, Kay Swallon turns 86 years old this year. Happy birthday, Kay.
Sarah Jean Bauer, a happy 25th birthday to Miss Sarah Jean. She is in Fort Scott. And Sonia Dooley, a happy, happy birthday in Columbus. Now, I've got one more here. Kind of a special one if you get at the very, very end, because I want to wish Mary Ann Bopart a happy 101st birthday. And it was on July 28th, 1920. That Miss Mary Ann was brought into this world, and you want to talk about an accomplished woman. She is the definition of a matriarch. She's got 2 sons, Doug and Randy. She's got 4 grandchildren. Susan, and Susan is the one who set this up, and her husband David. Kathy, who's married to Lemmy, and Deanne is married to Terry, and Chris is married to Tammy. Now get this, Mary Ann has 6 great-grandchildren. 6. We've got Kaylee, Lemmy, Joshua, Hannah, Jonathan, and Anna.
Aww.
And so Miss Mary Ann, from all of us here at KOM, a happy birthday to you, and thank you for raising such a marvelous family, because you don't realize this. Your family has been very influential and the Hayslip family as well. So thank you very much, Miss Marianne. Now here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club. All you have to do is go to our website and sign up, and once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.